Last night was quite an active night as far as thunderstorms were concerned. That was mainly well northwest of the capital city. This was the satellite and radar perspective at 6 o'clock last night. We were watching some thunderstorms in the northwest part of the state, and they formed into a line of thunderstorms by 11 o'clock last night. You see all this lightning here, but by the time it reached Lincoln, you see it's moving through in the overnight hours. That stuff really fizzled out. We were just looking at a broken line of showers by the time it moved through early this morning. This was 4 a.m. this morning. You actually see a couple lightning pings, so you may have heard a couple rumbles of thunder this morning, and we just had a couple of widely scattered showers. It did produce some accumulating rainfall though across southeast Nebraska. Not much, just a couple hundredths of an inch in most locations. Columbus was one of the lucky spots, right around 1/10 of an inch, and there was a swath of precipitation that actually moved through southern Lancaster County. In that region, these are real lucky folks. They got anywhere from 1/4 to upwards of 1/2 an inch, but the bulk of the rainfall, that was north and west of the Tri-Cities. Kearney was able to achieve just over 1/4 of an inch of precipitation. We did, however, hang on to the cloud cover as you went into the afternoon hours. Some spotty drizzle, maybe even a little bit of light rain at times going into the afternoon hours, and we are still hanging on to the cloud cover this evening. You can see it on satellite imagery here. It's mainly in the eastern third of the state. In fact, out towards the Tri-Cities, the sun did poke its head out. We are starting to see just a little bit of clearing in the southern part of the state. However, I do expect cloud cover to persist throughout the evening and much of the overnight hours as well. This is Stormcast starting at 6 o'clock this evening. See a couple of these green blips right here. Can't rule out a spotty shower this evening, but most should be dry. Keeping low clouds in the forecast. They are going to be stubborn, and in fact, they may even try to retreat off towards the west in the overnight hours, so we are keeping clouds for a majority of the overnight hours. However, as we get closer and closer to sunrise, this is Stormcast 4 a.m. Monday, you'll notice the cloud cover starting to lift a little bit, and it'll fizzle out for most of the day on Monday. The cloud cover will exit very early on Monday, so most of the day for your Monday will feature plenty of sunshine in the forecast. In fact, I think at many points it may be wall-to-wall sunshine. So for tonight, it's a warm evening. 64 degrees our overnight low. We'll have stubborn low clouds. A few wind gusts upwards of 30 miles per hour are possible. Going in for your Monday, we got a lot of sunshine, early clearing. That's going to help temperatures warm up quickly. 91 our forecast high, and it'll be breezy. We're talking about southerly winds initially shifting out of the northwest. We could see a few gusts upwards of 33 miles per hour. And we are turning up the heat, not just Monday, but even on Tuesday. Maybe we'll be slightly cooler there, 83 the high on Tuesday, but then we're right back up into the 90s on Wednesday and Thursday. 92 degrees our forecast high on Wednesday. The record high on that day is 94 degrees, so we're getting awfully close to record territory. 93 our forecast high on Thursday. A little bit harder to reach the record high on Thursday, as it is 97 degrees there. And I do also want to make a note, while we may not have to deal with much humidity tomorrow, humidity will start to increase on Tuesday, and those 90-degree high temperatures, yeah, that'll be accompanied by a little bit of humidity as well. Here is a look at our 10-day forecast. We start to cool things off on Friday, as on Thursday evening we're watching a storm system. I think Thursday evening, that's our best chance for rainfall out of the next 5. Chance for some evening thunderstorms there. That'll push a front through the area. And then we're cooler on Friday, a high temperature near 80 degrees, and then back into the 70s for the weekend. Finally look like we will dry out completely by the end of next weekend. Alexa.